How's it going? Today we're going to install this Ease Moose sectional. This is a modular sectional that can be installed a couple different ways, but each sofa section is going to have all the equipment and things you need to install it inside the sectional itself. It comes with this back pillow, and it also has the hardware, and it has the legs that go onto each section. The first thing you're going to want to do is get the legs with the washer that goes on it. You're going to put the bottom piece on its side, and you're going to twist in each one of the legs on each corner. Once that's done, you're going to get the back piece and install the L brackets with the little tip facing downwards because it's going to attach to the base. Once the brackets are attached, you're going to place the tips down in the holes, and then you're going to place the sofa seat on top so that it locks that in place. Next, you're going to grab the back cushion. The back cushion has hook and loop piece of Velcro, and that's going to attach the cushion to the back piece. One step you need to do before you put the feet in are to put the brackets. These brackets are going to connect the base to the back piece. You're going to want to assemble these with the screws and then put the legs on afterwards. You will use the same brackets to attach the armrest. These sectionals come with a couple armrests to square off the sides of the sectional. When connecting two seats together, you're going to have this straight piece and it has two tips on it. You're going to have to put them in the holes, and then you're going to put the cushions on over it. These sectionals come with an ottoman that is exactly the same as the base of each seat, and you can use each seat and the ottoman for storage.